Yes, family, how is it going? Before we proceed, please do three things. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, please. Okay, make sure you subscribe if you're new. If you've been watching but you don't have a Google account or a YouTube account, make sure you do that and subscribe to your boy's channel. Back again for another one. All right, cool. This video is to do about Bitcoin. You already know. If you're a real one and if you've been checking out my videos, you should know what this space is about. We tackle cryptocurrency, we tackle everything to do with the world of cryptocurrency, to be honest. Right now, we're going to talk about why Bitcoin is due to $100,000, alright, by the end of 2022. This past few weeks, yeah, we actually saw Bitcoin's price dipping under 40k. We did, and I got into the dip, okay? Not with BTC, but I bought some other coins, some other projects. I hope you did as well, okay? Let us know down in the comment section as well, okay? What you bought as well, whether it's BTC or if it's another altcoin, or if you bought an NFT, let us know, talk to us. But anyways, these past few weeks has seen a decline in Bitcoin's price, okay? Since the month of August 2021. This has worried a lot of people, a lot of investors. A very big drop from its all-time high of 68k back in November 2021. You know, back when it was in November, everybody was able to see that it can potentially go up to the 80,000 and from there the 100,000. Right? What we do already know is that cryptocurrency is volatile, and for Bitcoin, these ups and downs are nothing new. Despite the BTC volatility, many are predicting 100k from the grandfather of crypto. Okay, not in 2030, not in 2025, not in 2026, in 2022. Okay, this current year that we've just stepped foot in, people, analysts, experts are predicting 100k, which is 50k dollars higher than its current actual price. How crazy is that? But obviously there's reasons as to why these experts are saying this, okay? It's not just a rash figure that many people are throwing out there expecting it to arrive to just because they have funds invested in that cryptocurrency. So let's ask ourselves this question. What influences the price of Bitcoin or cryptocurrency for that very matter? Economic factors, okay? Factors such as supply and demand, public sentiment, the news cycle, market cycles, market events, the Federal Reserve, scarcity, and the list goes on. Okay, so those are just a few economic reasons, okay, as to why BTC can go on a super bullish run, on a super bearish run, which means that the market just plunges and it goes down 20%, 10%, etc. Okay, but let's fix ourselves on this one particular factor that was just named, okay, scarcity. Let's talk about it for a minute. There are only 18 million to 19 million Bitcoins in current circulation right now, okay, and minting will actually stop at 21 million, okay, meaning that there is a fixed supply but the demand is never increasing. So a lot of investors out there from America, China, every single country in the world, okay, where people have enormous amounts of cash handy on the side, okay, who are ready to dump their cash and turn it into capital through investments, okay, these people are running towards Bitcoin because of this exact thing. They would like Bitcoin as it is a scarce investment which has deemed itself to be popular and really good, cushion that helps invest to stay away and protected from the evils of inflation. Scarcity makes something pretty valuable, and that's why people are invested particularly and shall continue on putting more money into Bitcoin because it is a deflationary asset. It is scarce. Soon, this decade or the next, there is no longer going to be any more Bitcoins out there for people to mint. Another reason why Bitcoin could hit a $100,000, okay, according to experts in 2022, is due to its sudden, fast-paced rate of mainstream adoption. It appears as though human beings are finding the acquiring of Bitcoin very useful. A lot of human beings are just acquiring Bitcoin and they're seeing that these different banks, these different countries want to, use Bitcoin. And CoinDesk reported recently last month to be precise, okay, that there is an estimated 60 million wallets, okay, with Bitcoin inside of them. Coinbase has 73 million worldwide users around the world. This adoption is faster than back in the day, okay, when the internet was first getting released for use. So when the internet was started to just get popular in the late 1990s, going into the early 2000s, people were much more skeptical about the internet than they are Bitcoin. Bitcoin, for some reason, has seemed to grasp the mind of humankind much quicker than the internet did. Another reason, okay, is people's distrust in the current monetary system and its leaders. Bitcoin adoption has been strong in places like Pakistan, in India, in Vietnam, in Nigeria, okay, where it is reportedly banned. So apparently, okay, Bitcoin was banned in India, it was banned in Nigeria, but nevertheless, people are still fighting through, and they're seeing it as their legal obligation, in order to possess such a money that appreciates rather than depreciates, money that they can rightfully claim to be their own. This is another reason as to why Bitcoin or cryptocurrency in general is very popular. Why? Because it's revolutionary, okay, and people are way more, I would say personally, open and transparent with the projects and where that money is going to do for our generation. It is helping to serve the interests of the new world, this world that we are living in post-COVID. Some analysts, okay, however, are in objection to the theory that Bitcoin will actually hit 100,000, because remember, guys, okay, we have to give both sides to a story, okay? We can't just tell ourselves, okay, Bitcoin could hit 100k. Let's see what the skeptics to this theory have got to say, okay? So, some analysts don't think that's going to hit 100k, as they rather would believe that this year will be one which rather focuses itself, okay? They believe that rather this year would be a year that focuses, okay, on the rallies of altcoins. So the altcoins is the alternative coin. So the Ethereum, which is the world's second largest currency, my cryptocurrency, my favorite personally. And then you have the Binance coins, okay, you have the polka dots, the Solanas, okay, the polygons, etc. Okay, so some analysts feel like that those coins, the ones I've just mentioned, are going to see another rally, Okay, cool. So investors are realizing that there's more out there, okay, than just Bitcoin. For example, DeFi, there's NFTs that are booming, that are blazing out here right now. Web3, okay, that has yet to see any adoption, but it is becoming a popular trending topic to speak on social media, okay. And also the metaverse, as we've seen with Facebook changing its name to Meta, and Facebook coming out with the Oculus that some people are already using within their homes, okay. And so these investors would rather look towards the advancements of these particular fields, okay, instead of looking at if Bitcoin, only one cryptocurrency, will reach 100k. But if that does, then it would be a terrific moment. Why do I say that? Because the founder of Bitcoin is yet to be found. Nobody knows who he is. Satoshi Nakamoto is still somebody or a people that we do not know. Okay, whether it's one person or an entity, we do not know. But for this person or for this group of people, for this country or organization to have invented something to radically disturb, okay, our generation, and I believe generations to come as well. Anywho, so investors are realizing out there that there is more to it than just BTC. There's DeFi, there's NFTs, there's Web3, there's the metaverses to explore further. And this quote has been stated in an article on cointelegraph.com by a man called Horrigan, who is the head of Bitwise CIO. So he's just one of the few analysts who do not believe that Bitcoin will reach 100k. Now we know that 100k at the end of 2021 was not achieved, because we are currently in 2022 and we did not see the 100k target being achieved in 2021. The question now remains, are we really going to see a rally leading to a 2x or even a 3x from Bitcoin by this December? Let me know what you guys think below. Okay, in my opinion, and this is not financial advice either, by the way, none of the information that I've been stating or I will be stating in my future videos are financial advice, by the way. It's strictly for educational and entertainment purposes only, by the way. That's a nice little disclaimer for you all. Alright, but however, in my opinion, I definitely believe BTC is here to stay, and diversification is key no matter what happens to Bitcoin. So guys, ladies and gentlemen, please stay awake to what is happening out there, and as long as you're invested into the markets, the stock market, the cryptocurrency market, you'll be okay. You'll be okay. Fractional shares are obviously a thing, so don't even worry about how expensive Bitcoin is right now. Just buy a bit. Okay, buy a bit of any other cryptocurrency that you believe in, which is a solid project, and you'll be okay. But in terms of Bitcoin right now, as it is sitting on $43,000, I do believe that this is currently a good buying opportunity for Bitcoin. Okay, and it is definitely up to you if you want to wait for a further reduction in price, a further dip in that crypto asset. Totally up to you. Anyways, guys, that was me for today. It's been an absolute pleasure as always. Bless you all. Okay, have an amazing week. It's your boy Street Matters FM. Remember, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification bell, and stay locked because we're going to have plenty of more videos coming right your way. Alright, boom, out.